Question number 1 says that find the product of the numbers given in each of the bits. To start with, we have the first bit wherein we have 0.2 times 6. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. Times it with 6. We get the product as 12 by 10. And so the final answer that we get is 1.2. Coming to the second bit, we have 8 times 4.6, where 4.6 can be written as 46 by 10. The product that we get is 368 divided by 10. So the final answer that we get is 36.8 for the second bit. Coming to the third bit, we have 2.71, which can be written as 271 divided by 100 times 5. The product that we get for this is 1355 divided by 100, and the final answer is 13.55. Coming to the fourth bit, we have 20.1, which can be written as 201 divided by 10 and times it with 4. We get the product for these two as 804 divided by 10. So our final answer comes as 80.4. Now we'll be going on to the next set of bits. In the fifth bit, we have 0.05, which can be written as 5 over 100 and times it with 7. We get it as 35 by 100. So our final answer comes as 0.35. Coming to the sixth bit, we have 211.02, which can be written as 21102 divided by 100, and we have to times it with 4. So we get the product as 84408 divided by 100. So the final answer that we get is 844.08. Coming to the last bit of this question, which is the seventh bit, we have 2 times 0.86, which can be written as 86 by 100. The product for these two, we get it as 172 divided by 100. And so the final answer that we get for it is 1.72. And this is how we solve this problem.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.